Hi, I'm Ayan,
I'm Sid.
and you're watching Eureka. So, what do you have today?
So for today, we have to find any car above 600,000 US dollars, which is I know is a crazy amount of money, but we thought it'll be interesting to see what we can find.
So, last time we did baller cars for under $25,000, and we also did fun cars under $5,000. So, this time we thought it would be a bit fun to do things like $600,000 and see what cars we can come up with.
Last
It's
time
pretty
everything was
crazy
cheap.
amount.
Like we've done everything cheap till now. This time we thought, okay, let's go extra with everything.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the first constraint. If you guys haven't checked out the last video, you guys should check out
You
the
you
last video.
definitely should. You're missing out on stuff. You should definitely check out the last video.
Other than that, before we start, please do consider subscribing.
Definitely do that.
Yeah, I mean,
just
it's a
just it's just necessary. You have to do it because like you won't get such amazing content, right? So
family-friendly
family
content.
friendly content. Promote more family friendly content like this.
If you watch the channel, you'd know the inside joke.
Yes. Okay,
Exactly.
and so do you want to get into it?
Yeah, let's go. This, you know what? I know I have a feeling you're going to choose this, so I'm going to go for something different.
Okay. This
Dude, what is this? All these cheap cars do 300,000.
exactly no all cheap ass cars.
When we were deciding this video, I told he first decided on the budget being $700,000. No,
No, $800,000.
you said $800,000. I was
Yeah.
like, are you mad?
I wanted to do something extra this time. So, oh, see,
I'm
I've
struggling,
already found one.
but I'm trying to go for something different.
Yeah, this is kind of obvious, but
Oh, dude, this is pretty mad. This is pretty mad. You're not gonna. I doubt you're gonna think of this.
oh,
But but at the same time, I wouldn't be surprised if you did think of this.
the problem is a lot of the stuff is not
Yeah.
available readily on websites like Auto Tempest.
Yeah, and also a lot of them just don't show the price, right? You have to contact the dealer for price.
Yeah, and like they'll just be like these reserved stuff, like reserved, auctions and stuff.
Yeah.
Dude, there aren't any Paganis whatsoever. Any.
Dude, if you bought a Pagani and you spec'd it out yourself, like, are you gonna sell it?
You probably will know. A lot of people do.
Are there any Koenigseggs?
Nope. Oh yeah,
You
there is
checked?
one. Yeah, I there is one and I chose it, so don't choose it.
Dude, I feel like if we ever do this constraint again, we should put a price cap, like
In the sense.
600,000 to maybe 1.3 million or something like that.
Hmm. Okay.
Because like now I'm just like I'm looking over here and I'm just swimming in money, dude. It's like the minimum I have to spend is like 600,000.
Hmm.
Dude, I feel like we're gonna have very similar cars.
Probably yeah.
Does it have to be road legal?
No, I found a car. I don't know if you'll think of this though.
I found a car and I don't think you thought of it.
Hey, I think
Oh,
we should be able to find this. No. Oh, I know what to. What was it called? Ah, no, not this. Ah, this. Hi, yeah, guys. So we've finished finding all the cars, and so Ayan, do you want to go first, or should I go first?
I think I'll go first, and then you can go first. You can go first next time.
And one more thing, we've got a minimum of 5 cars each this time. So we thought it would be slightly difficult, but we still have like a minimum of 5 cars each.
Okay, so the first car is a MC12 Maserati.
Ooh.
It's a
I
race
didn't
car.
think of this. I didn't think of this at all.
Yeah, so when you told me that this is pretty cool. There's the road legal version of this, but I don't think any are for sale.
Hmm.
But
Yeah, this
dude,
is really cool. This is a really cool
um,
find. 2.5 million.
2.5 million. Yeah. It's got a V12. I don't know much about the car, but yeah, it's sold by Pagani in Beverly Hills.
Hmm.
So this is the first car. Then
Yeah,
the
it's really good
McLaren.
find. P1.
Yeah.
Again, I
Did
think
you
this is I didn't pick this, I didn't think of this, but like this is sort of again, the generic ones.
the generic one? Yeah. So yeah, like this, the hypercar, the Trinity.
Yeah. So
But
I
yeah,
picked
dude.
one from the Trinity. So
Yeah. And then a Ferrari F40.
mm,
So
yeah, I
oh,
didn't think of
dude.
this either.
Yeah, I was trying to think of this looks really funny by the way. This looks
Yeah.
very but barely run, huh? Only 3,300 miles.
I've got a car which has lesser miles than that.
Less some, yeah, because we have unlimited money over here. A Jeep. I
Oh,
have a six by
you
six.
managed to find this. That's pretty cool,
Yeah.
dude.
I was like, I know like there's gonna be a lot of supercars and stuff. So I was like,
This is a really good find. Yeah, I didn't think of this at all.
and then my last car is a generic.
Yeah.
I found no, but then this is the cheapest Bugatti Veyron that I could find.
Oh, and that's over $1 million.
It's pretty cheap, pretty cheap.
Yeah. Yeah. So, guys, leave your comments down below on what you guys thought of Ayan's cars. So, this is the first car. It's a LaFerrari.
Yeah, the generic. See, I
Yeah.
knew. See, literally, I went to Ferrari, and then like I was like, I saw LaFerrari, and I was like, okay, this is the car I'm going to choose. And I was like, no, Sid's going to choose this.
Yeah. It's pretty expensive, also $2.8 million.
Bro, but this is a nice spec because usually they're in red,
Yeah.
but this
Different.
color, this is a bit different.
So, this is one. The second is a 2008 Koenigsegg CCX.
This I knew because you told me that it was there.
Yeah. I like
Oh,
the
wow,
doors.
okay.
I like the doors.
Yeah, dude.
This is the third one. It's a 918 Spider.
Oh, dude. No, I thought of this. I thought of this as well, but this is like the again
Hypercar
the
Holy
one.
Trinity.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so
Bro,
this is quite obvious.
yeah.
Then I found a 2020 Cullinan.
Oh, not. Oh,
Highly
what?
optioned. Highly optioned.
Isn't,
It's
but
got like a
dude, this has
body
like,
kit and stuff.
yeah, it's got an aftermarket body kit.
And I don't know, but by the looks of it, if you look at the grill and stuff, it looks like it's the black badge.
Dude, do you know who Jeffree Star is?
Yeah, his pink Cullinan, right?
Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah, you saw it on Stallman's video, right?
Yeah, that's one crazy spec Cullinan.
Exactly, dude, exactly.
That thing really blows my mind, dude. Everything
Uh,
is pink on that thing.
dude, like, dude, everything is pink. Everything.
Exactly. I just found this for fun, honestly. It's a
Dude, even I found it.
1953 Bentley R-Type.
Dude, even I saw this and I was so confused when I saw it.
$1.25 million. What is so
I
special about
don't,
this, though?
I was literally just gonna ask you that. I have no idea what this guy is or how this guy is. But it's like so messed up though. Like, I don't know.
I don't think I can find a winner in this. So I think I'll tell our audience to find the winner. I think they'll be
Yeah,
better judge of.
I think we've had like a good mix of cars. But yeah.
So guys, like our last video, we'll have pinned comments down. So you guys just can
Yeah.
go vote.
So for the next one, we have extremely high mileage cars above 200,000 miles. I have
Yes.
no idea what to choose or no idea where to start from. But yeah,
Yeah, I already have like 3 cars in my mind.
I have a car in mind, but we used it for the last video as well. And so that's why I don't want to use it for this video. So let's see. So do you want to start now?
Yeah, let's go.
Just letting you know, there are no Range Rover Vogues in that have 200,000 miles.
Yeah, okay.
Probably
I wasn't gonna look forward.
Probably because they broke down before that. But still.
Exactly. How do
What
these
did you
people
find?
drive these things so much, bro? Seriously. How do these people drive these things so much?
Are you surprised they're just not broken down yet, or what?
No, I mean, like, how do you run a car for so long? I found a car right now for 10 lakh kilometers.
Uh, that's 100,000. No,
That's 600,000 miles.
600,000 miles.
Yeah.
Dude.
What?
I don't know. If I find this is gonna be pretty cool. I checked for a 200,000 mile Ferrari. There wasn't one.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna look for one.
I know, but still, you never know.
Do you think you can find such high mileage Lambos in UAE?
People
I remember
drive
seeing
them
one for 1 lakh kilometers.
100,000 kilometers. Yeah, that's still pretty high.
1 lakh kilometers.
100,000 kilometers. Yes.
Yeah,
For our
that's crazy high for a Lamborghini. Crazy high.
Yeah, but dude, they're so like Harkans are pretty reliable. Think about it.
Yeah, that's there. But you won't see a guy driving, uh, what is that? A Huracan for 1 lakh kilometers in India.
Because you can't drive it anywhere fast, dude. You'll be
Yeah,
too scared to
true,
drive it anywhere.
true, true.
Okay, guys, so we both just looked through and we found 5 cars each, I think. I think
Yeah,
you got
yeah.
six, but
Around 5 cars each.
okay, cool. So Sid is gonna go first, and then I'll show my cars, and then we can see who won this time.
Yeah, so this is the first car I found. It's a 2011 Cadillac Escalade. It's got
Ooh, have you
206,000 miles.
have you seen the new one?
Yeah, I guess
So
it's
cool,
okay
dude.
looking.
Did you see Doug's recent video about like Super Cruise?
No, I haven't watched it.
Okay, you should watch it. Okay, that's not bad, dude. Not bad.
Yeah. So my second car is a 2012 Ram cargo van,
Dude, what?
230,000 miles. See, I told you, right? I don't think you would have thought of something like this.
But why would you ever need this?
I don't know. For transporting stuff.
But this, dude, what is this car?
It's a cargo van, no? So it's very practical.
Yeah, but
Yeah, okay. So
dude,
this
it's
is
really
this is
interesting.
yeah, so this is my second car. My third car is this. It's a 2015 Sonata.
Dude, what? Are you like becoming a mother or what?
Why?
Bro, this is like some family car or something.
Yeah,
Okay,
but it's got
fine.
like
Yeah,
206,000 miles.
dude, okay.
Why? Why are you laughing?
Because you're going to see my cars and just be like, what?
Okay. So my next car is a 2012 Navigator,
Okay, this is nice. This is nice.
Lincoln Navigator.
Okay, this is nice. This is nice. I like this. I like this. I like.
I wanted this in black so that it looked very baller, but I couldn't find
Yeah.
one in black. White
Okay,
seems
this
to
is
be a
nice.
pretty popular color.
But the cargo van and the Santa Fe. Where did you even get the idea of a Santa Fe
It's a Sonata, bro.
from? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, okay, fine. So this is my last car. It's a 2016 Transit.
Dude, dude, what?
Yeah,
This
it's got
doesn't even make
250,000 miles. Bargain
dude,
buy,
I'm
bro.
telling
Bargain buy.
dude, you're doing drugs again, dude.
Why?
Bro,
What sort of cars did you look for?
Bro, our cars are like so contrasting, bro. So contrasting.
Okay. So it should be interesting, no? Let's see.
Exactly. Like none. Not. We don't even have the same. Do we have the same brands? We
Makes.
don't even have the same brands.
Okay, guys. So these were my cars, and apparently both of our cars are very, very different. So let's see
Yeah.
what Ayan's got.
So my first car is a Lexus.
Ooh, I didn't think of this at all.
It's an LX470. Dude, these cars are becoming so popular now.
Dude, imagine a 2007 Lexus LX 470 with 220,000 miles is $18,000.
And this
So
will still
expensive.
run like, and this will still run like a dream.
Yeah. It's got no check engine lights. It's got nothing. No problem, no.
Bro, they'll never break on you.
Toyotas are indestructible.
A 2016 GLE 63.
What? People drive these things for so much? 210,000 miles.
This man drove his GLE 63 to work every day. Bro, someone really used this car well.
This is proper good.
Look at that. 210,000.
But this is proper good too. This is really good.
And then a Tesla.
What?
Some Teslas.
Some guy has driven his Tesla for 200,000 miles.
Exactly. And then I
It's
found
ridiculous.
a Porsche Boxster.
Okay, we have completely different cars.
Completely means completely different cars.
No relation whatsoever. He found a Porsche which has done 200,000 miles.
Yeah, exactly. And then a 2006 BMW M.
Yeah, I guess it's a good car. But I expected it to be this high mileage.
Yeah, but I think the
Dude,
GLE.
the GLE and the Model S.
Dude, when you said like you showed me a van, I was just like, and a Santa Fe. I was just like, bro.
I guess the second one, Ayan won. I mean, I'll give it to him. He won. That was a really good set of cars.
Yeah, and we didn't have a price budget. That's why I went all out. If you didn't check out the last video, please do check out the last video.
Yes.
Other than that, please do consider subscribing.
Yes, again.
Yes.
If you like the video, then you should definitely like the video. And again, do share this family friendly content with others too.
And do comment who you thought won, especially for the second one, just to feed my ego. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, now we're good.
Bye. Under my umbrella, ella, ella, under my umbrella, ella, ella, Okay, bro. Let's start, bro.